Hey everyone, today we are going to solve the LeetCode question valid palindrome. Okay, there isn't much to explain actually, because this is algorithm, almost answer. So we have this input string at first, and from this input string, we create a new string like this. And to do that, this input string has printable ASCII characters such as space, numbers, and uppercase alphabet and lowercase alphabet and some symbol. And when we change the string into new string, so looks like we eliminate space and some symbol like this. So we only take lowercase alphabet and uppercase alphabet and I think a number, so that we can create this kind of new string. And after that, all we have to do is just use two pointers. One is a left pointer, start from index 0, and the other is right pointer, starting from the last index. And we check two characters one by one, and if they are same, we move both pointer to next. In this case, A and A, right? So that's why left pointer move next, right pointer move next, and then check two character again. So M and M, right? So they are same. So move left pointer to next, and move right pointer to next. And the next character is A and A, they are same. So move next and move next. And then when left pointer is greater than right pointer, so we finish iteration. And then all we have to do is just return true. And in this case, I think, so left pointer is here, right pointer is here, and A, and then move next. So left pointer pointing C, and right pointer also pointing C. So they are same, right? And after that, left pointer move next, pointing A, and R pointing also A, but left pointer is greater than right pointer. So we stop iteration. In that case, we are sure this input string, this new string is palindrome. So we should return true in this case. Yeah, so that is a basic idea to solve this question. So let's jump into the code. Okay, let's write the code. I'll show you two ways to write a code. So first solution is using built-in function. So let's begin. So first of all, we change input string into new string. So s equal, so empty string dot join, and for character in S, we take each character one by one. And if current character is alpha num, I don't know how to say this built-in function, but this built-in function checking if current character is alphabet and or number. If current character is alphabet or number, so this if statement is true. So we execute current character dot lower, and then connect with empty string. So that's why we create a new string without a space. And after that, so we need a left pointer equal 0 and a right pointer equal length of s minus 1. And then we use while loop, and the left is less than right, we continue. And if left character is not equal right character, in that case, we return false immediately. If not the case, move left pointer to next, and move right pointer to next. And if we finish while loop, and we should return true. So this is the first solution. Let me submit it. Yeah, looks good. And the time complexity of this solution should be order of n, where n is the length of input string. And the space complexity is also order of n. We create a new string, so that's why we need an extra space. And the second solution is, so interviewer said, so what if we can't use is alnum function? So how can we modify this code? So I'll explain how to write a code. Okay, in the second solution, we can't use isAllNum function. So in that case, how do you modify this code? My idea is to use regular expression. So I'll show you how. So let me comment out this. And then s equal re.sub. And we can write regular expression here. And not lowercase a to z and uppercase a to z and 0 to 9. So if current character is not this character, in that case, we change current character into empty string, and then target string is s. And after that, so every character should be lowercase, so lower. And then after that, just return s. So new string equal reversed new string. So we can actually write like this, s and colon colon -1. So actually, we can use this return program for first solution instead of here. So you can check later. Anyway, let me submit it. Yeah, looks good. And the time and the space are same as solution 1, which is on. Yeah, so that's all I have for you today. Please support me with your actions such as comment and hitting like button. I'll see you in the next question.